In this video, I'm going to show you how to repair Faceit Anti-Cheat error on your Windows 10 or 11. So what you're going to do firstly, the first step is on your search bar here, search for apps. Okay, so go to your apps section, your apps and features, just open it up, go to your app section here. And then what we're going to do once you're here on your app section, so here on your installed app, just look for your Faceit Anti-Cheat. So look for your Faceit Anti-Cheat, and once you find it, so what we're going to do is you're going to click on it and then hit on uninstall. Okay, hit on uninstall and then just remove it and then try to reinstall it again and see if that fixes up the issue. Okay, and next step what we can do here is on your search bar again here, just type in percentage app data. Okay, percentage app data, again percentage, just type that in and open up that folder here, the app folder. So once you open this folder up, and here look for again your Faceit Anti-Cheat folder. So look for it, and then once you find it, just delete it, and then once you've deleted it, just restart your system and see if that fixes up the issue. And most probably in most cases that will be ideally will fix up the issue.